All women crave masculine men because they radiate an energy that makes them irresistible to women. If you as a man get ignored by women at times, then this video is for you. In this video, we will go over 7 masculine qualities that women love to see in any man. And with every point you listen to and put into practice, you will not only be craved by women, still, you will also get ahead of the competition in every area of life. At number 7, we have strength. Strength is a powerful trait of masculinity, one of the most admired qualities by women. You can be physically strong or have the ability to overcome challenges. Physical strength makes women feel safe and protected when you are around them. Both physical and mental forms of strength make women hold you in high regard. When you have mental strength, this shows women that you can handle difficult situations, and that is the reason why some girls like married men. Women love strength in the bed, which plays a significant role in intimate moments. Women subconsciously submit to the power of a man who takes charge. Hence, on our channel, we recommend our dominant men to hit the gym at least 4 times a week, which will help you become physically strong and take care of your health in the long run, including bone, knees, and muscle strength to increase. Hitting the gym after a stressful day at work shows that you also are mentally strong, and our channel aims to help you find the right person by your side and lead a life of true happiness and fulfillment. And we aim to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. We request you to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on valuable information that will help you to become more dominant. Let us move to point number 6, responsibility. Responsibility represents maturity in a man, which is highly attractive to women. Men who take responsibility for their actions are respected by women. Being responsible shows that a man is capable of making decisions, taking care of himself, and caring for the people around him. If you remember, I made a statement earlier, women like married men more, and this is the reason why. When you show responsible behavior, you demonstrate a strong sense of duty toward your commitment to a woman. She values responsibility and commitment in a relationship. Any woman would not want to be around men who are not sure of what they want in life. And he is the solution, my dominant men. Focus on your work, give 200%, and be dedicated. Become the best version of yourself, physically, mentally, and financially. Take care of your parents. The right girl will come by your side. Like the video if you are getting value from it. At number 5, we have the most important thing, maturity. A mature man takes accountability for his mistakes, makes the right decisions even under pressure, and doesn't run from problems. Just imagine a man and a woman are stuck in traffic, and the man is abusing and honking because the cars are not moving. This shows to the woman that the man has no patience, and nor the man is mature enough to understand no one wants to be stuck in traffic. It's that situation everyone is stuck in. A mature man is emotionally strong and can handle challenging situations with grace and composure. And that is the reason why women like athletes and army men. A mature man is a source of emotional support and guidance for his woman, earning her respect and love. Here is a solution if you are stuck in any situation that is not normal. Just take a deep breath and realize everything shall pass. It is pointless to take a lot of stress because at the end of the day, we all are going to die. So relax, be in the moment, and be grateful for the life that God has given you, and things will be fine. Women cannot stand. Point number 4, and that is confidence. Confidence is a major pillar of masculinity. Without it, you cannot reach your full potential. Masculine men exude unwavering confidence, which keeps the masculine culture alive. Women are attracted to confident men because they aren't afraid to take risks, speak their minds, and stand up for their beliefs. Confidence is contagious, and women are drawn to it. Being confident not only benefits you, but also creates a deeper connection with the women around you. This is how you become confident. When you keep practicing the same thing over and over, you start to gain confidence. And that is how a lion learns to hunt his prey. He keeps failing, but never stops trying. And that is how he gains confidence and hunts as the king of the jungle. At point number 3, we have men with purpose. Women are often attracted to men with purpose because purpose demonstrates ambition, direction, and self-confidence. When a man has a clear sense of purpose, he exhibits qualities such as drive, focus, and resilience, which are highly attractive. A man with purpose is seen as someone who can create a fulfilling future for himself and his partner, providing a sense of security and stability. Why women like men with purpose? Ambition. Purposeful men are driven and constantly working toward their goals, which reflects determination and high standards. Direction. Having purpose shows that a man knows where he's going in life, which makes him reliable and trustworthy. Confidence. A clear purpose boosts self-confidence, as it gives a sense of meaning and control over one's life. Security. Purposeful men tend to be more stable, both emotionally and financially, offering a secure future to potential partners. Resilience. Purpose motivates to overcome obstacles, showing that a man is capable of handling challenges. And here is how my dominant men can have purpose in life. Self-reflection. Start by reflecting on what truly matters to you. Identify your passions, values, and interests. Ask yourself, what excites you? What problems do you want to solve? What activities bring you the most fulfillment? Set clear goals. Once you know what excites you, set short-term and long-term goals. Be specific about what you want to achieve in areas like career, health, relationships, or personal growth. Make these goals realistic and measurable. Develop skills. Invest time in learning and developing the skills necessary to achieve your goals. Whether it's improving your professional skills, communication, or physical health, continuous growth is key to maintaining purpose. Create a plan. Break your goals down into actionable steps. A clear plan gives structure to your journey and ensures that you stay on track. Each small step will build momentum. Stay consistent. Consistency is crucial. Keep working toward your purpose, even when you face setbacks. This persistence strengthens your resolve and deepens your sense of purpose. Find your why. Understand the deeper reasons behind your goals. Why do you want to achieve them? Connecting your goals to a meaningful why gives you motivation to keep going, especially during tough times. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Build a support network of people who share similar goals or can help you stay motivated. Being around driven individuals can inspire you and keep you accountable. At number 2, we have the most important part that everyone today is craving for: honesty. Honesty is a cornerstone of masculinity and a key to winning a woman's heart. When you are honest, it fosters a bond of trust and integrity. These qualities are essential for long-lasting relationships. When a woman can trust you because of your honesty, she will love you deeply. And it shows integrity and reliability, making women feel secure and respected. Honesty also brings positive results in other areas of life. If you're honest, she will trust and love you fully. I want all of you to implement the points in your life, and you will see a significant change. Your one like or comment or subscription genuinely motivates us to create more captivating content for you. At number 1, we have men who have a strong presence. Women crave men who show confidence and embody authority and leadership. Women are drawn to men who possess leadership qualities. Women want you to be the leader who can protect them. To develop a strong presence, you need to build self-confidence. When you enter a room full of people and walk calmly and assertively, it shows that you're comfortable in your skin. In today's modern age, due to the sedentary lifestyle, most men do not want to go out of their comfort zone, which has led to men having low testosterone, and this has been a growing problem. Hence, I highly recommend you to check this video.